Hi, welcome to our new shower by American Bath and Shower. Starting with these beautiful barn doors that we picked out. We've gotten so many compliments on these. We love how light and airy it feels and the ease of use. They're also super easy to clean, which is also a plus. This solid surface that looks like a mixture between tile and marble is so easy to clean, and you don't have those grout joints, so you're not having to deal with that maintenance and having to re-grout ever so often. We were able to choose between variation of different fixtures, and we love that we were able to pick something that looks like a rain shower with this adjustable shower head that's also removable. So it's great with kids after the beach, what have you, and it's got different settings, of course. We also were able to choose between different nooks for storage. We only have the one because it is our guest bath and it's plenty big for our guests, but you can have multiple. And we just went with the matching chrome features as well, but it's plenty of storage for us. And we just love it. And it's just been incredibly easy to clean from start to finish. Everyone was so professional. They stayed within our budget, and we couldn't be happier with the finished product and the lifetime guarantee, of course. So if we run into any problems, we know that we're covered. And again, helping us stay within our budget. So thank you, American Bath and Shower.